Morning, guys. It's the 13th of December, Friday the 13th. We're Signal
Hey.
Centre, Talking Ball, Joe Neighbour, Steve O'Hare, Ian Coleman. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Morning.
How we
All good in
doing?
the hood. Yeah, all good.
All very blue this morning.
All very blue, yeah. Keep calm.
Keep calm. So yeah, bit of a landslide last night.
It was in the end, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There
Yeah.
was a little bit of worry at one stage that they were making a bit of a comeback, but nothing founded there. It was all one way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big gap higher in the sterling pairs crosses yesterday.
Yeah.
The exit polls.
Yeah. The move seems to have happened.
It is all coming off a little bit now.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of froth come off top, bit of profit taking probably.
Well, the high was what 135.15.
Yeah.
Okay, well, yeah, 135. Yeah, 15.
There's a big fib up there, 136. We're just underneath.
There's a lot of fibs going on, and
Fibs.
people seem to ignore them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think it seemed to sort of like the news sort of filtered through around 10 o'clock, and there's a big gap in the charts on a lot of the platforms. So yes, do you think so, buddy? Buddy thinks so.
Yeah.
He's a bit angry. He's Labour. He is.
Is he? I thought he'd be a true blue.
No, he's not.
Did you see the Elmo in the background?
Yeah, I saw that.
What the hell is that about?
Oh, I saw there was some mention of him on the IG news feed. What's his name? Did you know his name?
Elmo?
Yeah, he's got a big title, isn't he? He got a few votes as well?
Did he?
I think so. Yeah. I read a little clip about it a few minutes ago.
Fantastic.
I think everyone stopped their video, or stopped their Sky TV and rewound it to just have another look at it.
It's just sums him up, isn't it?
No, he's the one with the pin on his head.
I don't know.
He's great. Maybe they're just Boris's mates.
Possibly.
Yeah.
Anyway, gun to head challenge yesterday. Nothing really to report. Ian, you made a 1.13R on your trade, and Steve and myself got stopped out. So
not surprising you got stopped out, Joe.
Yeah, you didn't like that trade, did you?
No, I didn't like that trade, and I'm a bit annoyed because I got stopped out buying it on the gun to head. Was it Wednesday?
Yeah.
Buying the DAX, and I got stopped out by a few ticks, and it's actually hit the target.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 133.
You should have had you stop a bit wider, trying to shoot the lights out with 10.
Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. I'm going to sort of like come back with a new year, new attitude.
Yeah.
So yeah, my last one. This is my last roll of the dice.
Are we resetting in the new year, or do you want to keep going?
I don't mind, mate. You know, it's just 26% win rate doesn't look good. We're not tweeting this, are we?
No.
We're seriously not live. This isn't going out to people, is it?
People are seeing this, I think.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Well, maybe I'm going to make it back today, and then we could sort of like, reset it or whatever. I'm going to sell cable today, by the way.
Okay. Well, it's Ian's honour. Have you got anything to?
Yeah, I'm going to look at Euro Yen.
I'm going to try and find a trade while you're talking.
Can I have the screen, Joe?
Yeah, sorry, mate.
That's all right.
Here you go.
Keep the cable stable while we all drink Black Label. It's Euro Yen hitting loads of resistance levels. Got a 38.2% fib at 122.44. Got a previous swing low, so it was support, now becomes resistance 122.40. If we go to this chart, and it might just be corrective, we've got a wedge formation just coming up towards the top. Also got a 161.8% fib. If it spikes through, it could make it up here, 123.32, but this is gun to head, so we're going in. Let's just break that time frame down a bit so I can get this. So looking to set, I've got a 13 count as well. As you know, I'm fanatical about 13s. Nicked it. So going for a silly R.
Silly R.
Silly R. There.
Like it.
So 122.47. Stop at 122.80. target at 120.78.
Okay.
About
I
5
like
R.
that.
Over
What you got
to
in,
you
Stevie?
guys.
Well, quite interesting enough. It just gave me time to have a little look at cable, because I do sort of fancy a little bit of a retracement, because we'll have a few gaps on the chart. Let me just show this. This is the weekly chart on cable. Look way back in 2009.
Wowzer.
There's a support, decent support, bounced off, broke through it. That is referendum day. Let's all leave Europe. And so obviously price was capped very much so until September, broke up and again down. And today we've actually rallied very close to that.
What is it, 135.33?
Yeah, 135.33 level. Got up there, but we've come off a whole cent since then. So this is where we've gapped up last night. I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of, there's obviously a good mood out there. Everyone's looking at cable thinking, lovely, we're up here above 134, a little break below 134, and we could see a little bit of a retracement. So quite an aggressive or fast move to the downside before support comes back in. So I'm going to make this chart a little bit bigger. I'm going to sell it, sod it.
Yeah.
It is what it is. 1.34, where are we trading?
11.
I'll take 12. Just because I can.
It's 12 trading now.
Let me be. I'm going to keep it really tight, stopping it. 134.
So well.
Yeah, because that's bound to work. Let me get 134.32. And so let's target a move.
Somebody
down
farts,
to,
it's going to take that out.
Yeah. How many's that? 8. How many are down am I on the year?
The 22 are behind me.
Oh, you just want me to make the stop a bit tighter, don't you?
Throw, isn't there?
If I made the stop a bit tighter. Let's go for it, shall we?
Yeah.
Why not?
What have you got to lose? It's the last trade of the year, isn't it?
18R. So the stop is 134.22, and I'll put the alert in
10
there.
ticks.
So, yeah. What's 10 ticks amongst friends?
Take your time doing yours, Joe, because then Steve will be out of the game.
134.22. Sold 134.12s. Stop at 134.22. My target is, and that has to be 32. 132.32. All nice numbers. So what's that? 18R on the button. Done. See you later, Joe.
Yeah. You still won't catch me out, but you get close. You never take Ian with that.
We might have to do one on Monday then if I'm that close.
All right, cool.
Can't have you taking the title of the year. Can you catch him, E, on this trade?
He could do if he wins on that one he's just done today. It was 5R, wasn't it?
Yeah. So what are you going to do? I suppose you're going to try and sell equities again, aren't you?
No, I'm actually going to give you some support on the old sterling front.
Go on, son. Oh, you're just trying to get inside it. He's going to get a couple of ticks inside my trade. Yeah.
I'm looking at sterling Swiss. This is the weekly chart. We obviously had this huge move up into this 78.6 and this downtrend here. We are above it at the minute, but we've obviously been up quite a bit higher. So it could be that we see some profit taking. It looks obviously a little bit top heavy around here. So I'm going to try and sell it. And I'm trying to buy it intraday on our own analysis down at a retest of this support at around 131.20. So I'm just going to try and jump on that now on a move down to the support where I'd actually like to buy it. So we're selling at 131.80 with a stop just above that high in the last hour. So stop loss at 132.18 and target, just call that 60, 130.60. 3.3.
3.3.
3.3.
Oh, and what are you doing? You're selling it. So
Selling
basically,
it,
so if cable does come off, you're going to win 3.3 as well. Yeah.
I'm not going to win 18 though.
No, you're not.
Steve's 12 ticks on side.
I am, because
that's probably 5R, isn't it?
I just want to show you. Yeah. Let me just show you. share my screen again.
Go on then. Let me just stop sharing.
Breakfast delivered.
Look at that.
Oh.
Already there. Joke. What a joke. I'm already up £5 on my because I was late
This is the 1
getting in
minute chart.
on my own account.
What do we always say about going down to 1 minute charts? You want to get the tick chart on there, Stevie?
Hang on, am I a few hour on side already?
Yeah, you'll be like 2 hour on side there.
I am 1 hour on side. I might take it. I'm not sure. No, go on. Let it go. Let it go.
Okay,
go,
news-wise, data-wise, we've got just retail sales in the US today.
Yeah, I don't think anyone's going to take any notice whatsoever.
No. So
Definitely
there was
not
some
us.
news yesterday about trade deals.
Yeah.
Yes,
from what I
it's
gather.
basically Trump has said that he's going to cancel the 15th of December deadline as long as the US return a guarantee that they will purchase US agricultural goods.
Okay.
That's what sent the stock market into a frenzy.
Dollar yen was at a 1 week high yesterday.
Yeah.
Um,
What he actually
ECB
said was he's getting very close to a very big deal.
Right. Okay.
But I mean, then there was things out this morning. I don't know if it's been confirmed that they have actually. I think I assume that he has cancelled the deadline. So,
Oh, no.
or whether or not they have actually got a deal in place yet, I don't know.
Anything to take away from Christine Lagarde's speech yesterday, Ian, that you
No.
noticed?
No, not really. I sat and
No.
listened to it. It was very volatile. Spikes in both directions, and then
She said a
just-
substantial amount of monetary policy accommodation was still needed. So it looks like the euro's going to, well, Eurozone's still going to get boosted
yeah.
throughout 2020.
Mm.
She's going to start a strategic review in January, and that'll be completed by the end of 2020.
We can wait that long.
That's a
can't we?
fucking long old strategic review, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe something lost in translation there. Who
Maybe.
knows?
Okay, well, yeah, so just a bit of retail sales data at 1:30. This is the last one we're doing for the year. We're having a break, and we'll be back in January to continue where we left off.
Lovely. I might send
Enjoy
a
your Christmas.
little squawk out later if I do hit my target.
Okay, yeah, please do.
Dance around naked in the street.
Yeah, save us that.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. All right. Have a good festive season,
Yeah,
everyone.
have a good holiday,
Cheers.
Joe.
Cheers, guys. Speak to you
Cheers.
soon.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye
See
bye.
ya.